Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd and I'm the CEO of the Murrindindi Shire Council. Thank you for tuning in to Council's COVID-19 pandemic update for Monday, 23rd of March. As most of you would know, the state and federal government announced some significant changes over the weekend, and these will greatly impact our communities. The biggest change that the Victorian government announced and has implemented is a shutdown of some further activity across our state to help combat the spread of coronavirus. Examples of businesses that are impacted are gyms and indoor sporting facilities and venues, pubs, cafes and restaurants, cinemas, clubs, casinos and licensed premises, churches and places of worship. There are a few exemptions to these rules. Pubs, cafes and restaurants are closed for the purposes of dining in, but they are able to provide a takeaway and delivery service. So please make sure you support our local businesses in this way. The licensed area of pubs and hotels has to close, but if you're an operator of one of those and you have accommodation services, they can stay open. When it comes to churches and places of worship, they are closed, and there are serious restrictions on funerals and weddings, and it's best to seek advice on those. It's easy to panic when hearing this sort of news. However, I must reassure you that a wide range of services are still open and are available to us, and the state government will be doing everything they can to protect these services, as we need to as well. Our supermarkets, greengrocers, banks, petrol stations, pharmacies, butchers, bottle shops, bakeries, newsagents and accommodation all remain open, and it's really important we support those businesses. When it comes to schools, it was announced that the school holidays have been brought forward to start from tomorrow, and all schools within our shire will close from tomorrow, and this will have a significant impact on lots of parents, I'm sure, across the shire. Current advice from the Department of Education is that childcare centres and kinders will remain open at this stage. Another important announcement that was made yesterday evening is that the federal government will be providing an additional stimulus package. This package is designed specifically for job seekers and small and medium businesses. There'll be more information and the details of that coming out over the next few days, and we'll provide links to all of that information and advice on our website. On a local front, Council will continue to deliver the essential services that we do to our community. We've made the decision to close our customer service centres and have closed all of our council offices. That means our staff will be working from other locations and largely from home, which is the best thing for them when they're trying to look after their family and still deliver the services to you. However, don't worry, you will still be able to contact us by calling the 5772 0333, and one of our amazing customer services staff will still answer your calls and answer any questions that they have. You can also visit our website, and there's lots of information online there to help you, and we're keeping that very much up to date as changes occur with the state and federal government. Our resource recovery centres remain open. One change there, though, is that they are only able to accept EFTPOS and credit cards. Based on the government advice, we're avoiding handling cash, as we encourage all businesses to do. Curbside rubbish and recycling collection continues as normal, as do all of our outdoor services, including parks and gardens and all of our road crews. There will, however, be some changes to public toilets. We will be closing some public toilets, and I'll provide more details on that over the next few days. We're going to be keeping the public toilets open in the most visited areas so that we can clean them very regularly. But that needs to come at the cost of closing some others. I'd just like to remind people that social media is fantastic for sharing, and there's some amazing things happening on social media. But there's also a lot of misinformation. Certainly seen quite a bit over the last few days of information being circulated, which has been circulated with the greatest intent, but in reality is providing incorrect advice. That's either advice from other states or from measures that have been put in place overseas. So if you're not sure, visit our website. There's links there to the Department of Health and Human Services and the federal government's latest advice. So go to our website and all the information will be there. Don't forget, again, tomorrow on UGFM from 8:30, I'll provide a live update on air of any changes that have occurred overnight and changes to any of our services. Thank you very much. Let's all keep sticking together and keep working together and stay safe. Thank you.